A Bingo Cache server error on launch can prevent the app from connecting to its online services, so the first thing to check is whether the problem is your connection or the service itself. By the end, you'll know how to test the connection, refresh Bingo Cache, update the app, and identify when the problem needs to be handled by Bingo Cache support. Start by completely closing Bingo Cache. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cache away. On Android, open recent apps and remove Bingo Cache. Then reopen the app. If the server error disappears, the problem was temporary, and you can continue using Bingo Cache. If the error appears again, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open another app or website to confirm that your connection is actually working. If other services also fail to load, fix the connection before troubleshooting Bingo Cache. If other apps work normally but Bingo Cache still shows a server error, restart your phone. A restart clears temporary network and app processes that can interfere with startup. Next, check for a Bingo Cache update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Bingo Cache, and install an available update. On Android, open Google Play Store, search for Bingo Cache, and update it if an update is available. After updating, reopen Bingo Cache and check whether the server error is gone. Android users can also clear Bingo Cache's temporary cache. Go to Settings, Apps Bingo, Cached Storage, and Cache. Then select iClear Caching. Don't select iClear Storaging unless you're prepared to sign into the account again. Clearing storage can remove locally stored app information. On iPhone, you don't get the same individual clear cache option, so start with closing the app, restarting the device, updating Bingo Cache, and checking the connection. If Bingo Cache still displays a server error after those steps, the problem may be on the service side rather than your phone. Don't create a new Bingo Cache account to bypass the error. If your original account contains your balance or game information, continue troubleshooting that account. Take a screenshot of the server error and note whether the message appears immediately when Bingo Cache launches or after you attempt to sign in. Then, contact Bingo Cache support with your device model, operating system version, Bingo Cache app version, registered account information, and the exact server error message. If the error affects multiple devices or persists despite a working internet connection and current app version, support can determine whether there's an account-specific or service-side issue. So the practical order is: close Bingo Cache, test your connection, restart your phone, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, and contact support if the server error remains. Your next step is to switch your internet connection and reopen Bingo Cache. If this fixed the Bingo Cache server error, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.